Kwa majina naitwa Jane Mukami Maina. Nilipigua simu Wednesday kitu saa 7 na my brother. Akaniambia mtoto wake ameuawa. Mimi nilikuja immediately, nikafika hapa Nyahururu. Wakaniambia boyfriend by the name Alex Ndungu. Anasema ati mtoto wa brothangu alitoka nje sasa kwenda kumwangalia, ati alimpata hapo nje ameanguka. Akamchukua akamweka ndani, akaita wasichana wawili wakuja wamsaidie, which was a lie. Hiyo ni statement yake. Wakamweka kwa nyumba. By saa 7 wakaona ati amezidiwa, wakampeleka clinic, a certain clinic along Nairobi, along Nyahururu highway. Kuna clinic iko hapo. Mimi kufika nilienda kwa hiyo clinic kujua what happened. Clinic officer mwenye nilipata hapo kwa clinic aliniambia yeye hakuna kitu alitibu nani Angela aliletwa hapo kama already she was gone, because hata wajaribu kuweka line ya dawa haikuingia, so wakawapa referral apelekwe Nyahururu. Vile walifika Nyahururu akakuwa hayuko, so huo boyfriend sasa na wasichana wawili wakaambiwa waende polisi wa report ndio mwili ichukuliwe. So vile mwili ilichukuliwa, mimi vile nilifika tukaona something is not adding up. So sisi tuka request postmortem, tuka have postmortem from Nakuru. Pathologist akakuja jana. So that was yesterday. Tukafanya postmortem, na vile tulifanya postmortem ilionekana mtoto wetu aliuawa through kunyongwa na kubangiwa kichwa. Walimnyonga na akambang him personally. All we need is justice. Tunataka tu justice ya Angela Mudhoni. She's young. She had dreams. Alikuwa na ambitions zake, na sasa they have been cut short.
Kwa majina naitwa Beatrice Joki Guju. Nimekuja huku Nyandarua. Pari kunaitwa Jororok, juu mtoto wangu ameuawa na kijana walikuwa marafiki. Na mimi nimetoka huko Nyeri, pari kunaitwa Darasha, na nimekuja huku ili kutafuta haki ya mtoto wangu. Tulifanya postmortem na tukaona kweli huyo mtoto aliuliwa juu alikuwa amenyogwa na kukoseshwa hewa. Lakini tumefurahi juu DCI wa huku wameshika watu 5 wako huku polisi, na natarajia watapelekwa kotini ili haki ya mtoto wangu ipatikane. 5 years.
Yes. And then other person was going to decide, because we intend to leave the platform. There is none.
Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. Hakuna kesi kama hiyo. Hakuna kesi kama hiyo.
Okay, my name's Jane. I've been in this since it happened. I'm so hurt, I'm so annoyed. This is justice denied. Muthoni was just 24 years old. I have evidence, I have records, witnesses. They were never called. Hakuna mtu ameitwa. Sisi tumekuja mention, tunakuta ni sentence. These things the murder happened on this year, on July. Na leo tuko na sentences. What's special with this murder? Nobody was listened. Hakuna witness amekuja. Hakuna witnesses were there. There were 3 witnesses. They were never called. Plea bargaining ikifanywa, we were never hatukuitwa, hatukuambiwa. Sisi tumekuja kustuka, tumekuja mention. We were just coming for mention. Tukasikia ati ni sentencing. Wakili wa family amesimama, judge akamsnob. This is injustice. Justice carry. He's not a justice. He's injustice. Huyo sio justice. Ametunyima justice. Leo ametunyima. Wakili wetu amejaribu kuongea, akaambiwa akae chini, hata onyesha judge vile atafanya kazi. Hata kama hatujasomea uwakili ama ujaji, tunajua how it goes. We need justice for Angela Muthoni.
Kwa majina naitwa Beatrice Joki. I am the mother to Angela Muthoni. She is the one who was killed by the accused. And tumekuja hii koti mara 2, 3 tukasikia ati imeamuliwa, and we are very annoyed, we are very hurt because hiyo damu yake hata hatujamsahau bado, lakini we have not seen justice and we are appealing for the government of Kenya watufanyie justice. It is very hurting, hata we are not able to talk. We have been crying and I don't know how we are going to do it. We are appealing that the court will hear us, and we just want justice for Angela because she was young. I just call these shattered dreams because she could go far.
My name is Betty Mushina and I'm a human rights defender in Nyandarua County, and today is yet a very sad morning for people who fight for justice, because one of our actually she was part of our human rights defending team, and that is why we had come today. We lost Angela in the hands of a man who today finds justice and not Angela who deserved justice. So we are calling upon ODPP and the judiciary, and we are going to peruse all the files ambazo zimeletwa hapa Olkalau Law Courts ziki-involve murder, because if this is what have been happening, then there is no justice.
Good morning, my name is Oira. As Mr. Kamau has indicated, we are appearing alongside each other, watching brief for the complainants. And in summary, the complainants are not happy with the conduct of the judge in the matter, and also the plea bargaining that was entered in their absence. They are also not pleased with the same, and we shall be looking into the same. We shall make necessary complaints after we have looked at that, and we shall also explore the avenues of appeal in order for the family to get justice.
My name is Advocate Kamau Ngige. I do appear alongside my colleague Kefa Oira, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Today we appeared before the Olkalau High Court in the High Court criminal case number 12 of 2025, where this matter was coming up for mention. We later were surprised to confirm that the matter was coming up for sentencing. This being a murder case, the family of the victims were informed that there was a plea bargaining that was entered into without their involvement. A probation report was given. The judge went ahead to give a sentence which we feel is very unlawful and irregular. He has committed, in a murder case where a family was not involved in the process of plea bargaining, 5 years in prison to the accused persons. So we made an application before the Honorable Judge to place that matter for a further mention date, for the family to get an opportunity to go through the file, to understand how the plea bargaining process was done without the involvement of the family. It is the prevailing jurisprudence of this Honorable Court that plea bargaining must be entered when the family of the victims are involved. The ODPP the prosecution and the accused family cannot be purported to enter into a plea bargaining agreement without involvement of the victim's family. Today we say we have not seen justice. We are grieved by that decision. We are going to appeal against this decision by the Honorable Court. The family is here. The victim was only 25 years old, a college student, a person with a bright future, who was killed in a cold blood, and the accused has been set free. So we are not happy. We are going to appeal against this decision between the judiciary, and this is one of the examples of a corrupt court. We Kenyans are suffering, and we are thinking that the court is the house of the last resort for justice of these Kenyans. We are displeased, and we are going to appeal this matter. Thank you so much.